How to change Yahoo Mail display name. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video I am going to show you guys how you can change Yahoo Mail display name. Firstly, go on any browser and open up your Yahoo account. Click on the mailbox like icon and you will be appeared to this homepage. Press on the gear shift icon in the upper right corner in order to get into the settings of your Yahoo account. Again, press on more settings. Now you will be directed to this homepage in which you will see the different options in the left side. From the different options given, click on mailboxes option and tap on your email address. Now from here you can edit your display name. After editing your name, scroll down and tap on save option. And that's it. This is how easily you can change your display name in Yahoo Mail. I hope you understood this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next one. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.